his heart with everybody racing and chasing after him, and he was just feeling like he wasn't worth it. So he'd sit down in his room, write a couple raps just to get the shit off of his head. But he just laid down in bed and just wanted to die. He wanted to cry, cause deep inside his feelings would eat him inside. He would come out of the door and everybody would say his mama was a whore, but she really wasn't. She was the one that raised him up and picked him up, but then he brought him down. And he's sorry for making people frown. He just looks like a clown, and he just wants everybody to just feel his pain. What he feels, he wants everybody else to feel, cause he feels like there's nothing left to do, nothing left to say, nothing in this world that can help him cope with this fucking pain. So he just looks around, walks around, he just takes some time now by himself. But when he goes to school, teachers make him look like a fucking fool. He know that he can do the work, but teachers don't understand what happens at home. He feels like he just lost his throne to the king. He lost his crew, but he earned one back, and he doesn't need to hurt people that he sees. He just does it. He doesn't know how or when he can cope with anything. His mixed emotions got him going crazy in the moment. He just thinks that the only way he can own it if he goes in his room, writes a couple of raps so he can get the shit off of his mind, off of his crap. He can talk crap in a rap, but when it comes to real life, Jacob doesn't know what to say. Jacob doesn't know how to play a game, and the game that he plays his life, and the life that he was given wasn't even set for him. He's writing his own story, like in the book of life. When he is ready to come out of himself, he's ready to stop hiding. You guys never seen the side of him that he's been hiding for a while now, and he just can't do anything. So he just sits on the floor, sits down and fucking cries, cause he wonders why everything in his fucking life of his is so fucked up. Everything going around his head. Then he gets a bullet, put it to his brain, shoots his brains out. Then that's the last taste he ever had of a bullet. Anything in his life he's never ate since he was 13. Now look at him, he's just a kid who just wants to be something, but everybody keeps turning on him. Fake friends lie, real friends die in front of his life, and he can't even do anything. So he turns to crack, turns to coke, turns to anything that will numb the pain, turns to weed, then he smokes out of a blunt. He can't do anything. His parents are worried about him, asking him what's wrong, asking him what he can do to get along with kids that he doesn't even know. And the teachers think he's just a kid who just wants to show up and play, but really deep inside the kid knows what he wants to be. Jacob thinks that he's not a man cause of people he was brought to, cause of people he was taught to. People who talk to him always say that he's an emotional ass motherfucker, and he can't even get up out of his own fucking seat. But see, I'm not looking for somebody to come and save me. I'm just looking for somebody to come and help you. I don't even need a fucking therapist. I just need somebody who can come and help me. Somebody who can save me. Give me a rap tour. Give me a rap idea. Give me something that can make me go away from this pain, that I can just escape from this